Need a system that's easy to install and service, where you can access all components without disrupting the plumbing? You found it. My name is Jeremiah Brody. Let's take a quick look on how installing and servicing a constant pressure boosting system just got a whole lot easier. The VersaBoost Pro, Little Giant's all-in-one constant pressure boosting solution, is designed for flexible, hassle-free installation. Place it under a sink, or in a basement, or in warmer climates, outside. The 180-degree rotatable top cover with integrated display supports left to right in front, or right to left in rear plumbing to maximize versatility. Its integrated all-in-one solution design eliminates the need for additional components like pressure tanks, pumps, sensors, and extra fittings, saving time, labor, and installation costs. The 1-inch NPT water inlets and discharges are molded hex-style grips with stainless steel inserts to prevent leaks. The product is also fully outdoor rated. Get NEMA 3R protection without any additional covers required. The port on the top cover provides easy priming access. The sealed UV protected color display features intuitive push buttons for easy navigation and adjustments, including a dedicated start-stop button for additional control and hard resets. The thermostat-like home screen shows real-time pressure, pump status, pressure setup, time and date, and communication status. Use the easy-to-navigate setup assistant for the end user to enjoy better water pressure in minutes. The VersaBoost Pro is also intelligently supported by built-in connectivity and can be paired with the FE Connect mobile app for enhanced setup. Maintenance is simple and stress-free. Access all internal components by quickly removing the top, front, and side covers. No need to disconnect plumbing or move the unit from the wall. You can also use the FE Connect mobile app for wireless diagnostics, status or fault notifications, and real-time troubleshooting. Monitor the product, view logs, and get live, remote support while sharing visibility of the system's conditions via FE Connect's one-to-one feature. Want more details? Head to littlegiant.com to explore the VersaBoost Pro series. For more training, check out Franklin Tech. Thanks for watching.